Robert Barrow, he's the CEO of Mindmed. He joins us to discuss the largest clinical trial for psychedelic-inspired medicines, which have the potential to revolutionize mental health treatment. Check it out.
Psychedelics were researched extensively in the 1940s, 50s, and 60s with extraordinary promising results in a variety of mental health disorders such as anxiety and depression. With the Controlled Substance Act in the early 1970s, research cooled for a number of decades, and only in the 2010s did research really pick up again. Unfortunately, over this time, there was also an explosion in the prevalence of mental health disorders, with anxiety disorders being particularly prominent. Today, we see that 1 in 4 US adults has a diagnosable mental health disorder, and 1 in 10 US adults has a diagnosable generalized anxiety disorder. Importantly, we're now conducting clinical research with our product candidate MM120, which is our proprietary form of LSD. LSD is the most extensively researched study in the entire field, with over 10,000 patients being administered LSD in historical clinical trials alone. In our clinical trials, and ultimately in the real world should these products be approved, these products would be administered in a clinical research setting under close medical supervision to provide ongoing psychosocial support should a patient have any difficulty during the treatment experience. Because of the promise of this drug class and the promise of the preliminary evidence, we've seen an explosion of interest from providers, patients, and even from regulatory authorities such as FDA, who earlier this year issued draft guidance on how to develop the drug class. For more information about mind medicine, you can visit www.mindmed.co. And for more information about our clinical trials, you can visit clinicaltrials.gov or www.anxietyresearchstudy.com.